back to mrsbluxlife. I am Sarita, and this is breakdown episode 4. Break down the bag. The bag that we will be breaking down today. I might need to take it out, huh? To show it to you. Okay. I'm gonna get it that way. None other than the Merlot Bleecker bucket bag in all her glory. Look at this. Yes, so this is the bag that has been here for I think over a month now. That needs to be broken down, and that's what we about to do. Break it down, because I already have some shoes that are going to go with it. They're already sitting in there waiting, already sitting up pretty and waiting to go in. So let's take all the goodness off of here, all the protectants, because honey, who knows how to protect the bag, Coach? Well, we did see Tori, if you watch one of my videos, a couple videos back. Tori know how to protect too now. They're in the protecting game. Now, LV, I don't know, okay? Everything is, I don't know. But Coach don't play when it comes to protecting, honey. They're going to protect it to the air. Okay? They're going to protect it. If nobody else is going to protect it, Coach is. Coach is going to protect it. I mean, everything. A little tape and a little foam and a little paper. Now, that is the pouch that goes inside. Cute. You could hook it on here and then have it like a little wristlet hand thingy. It has gold hardware. Is it leather? Oh, no, it's raw leather in the inside. The inside is raw leather and no creed. No creed in the inside. So, all this stuff out of here. And then the oldie but goodie. Oh. The oldie but goodie dust bag. So, I'll be putting this where the bag will go. So, I'll put it this way. Hold on. I got to take the tag off of here. Because y'all know I keeps the tag. What did I do? I keep the tag inside the dust bag. That's how I know the names and the prices and stuff of my stuff. That's just what I do with mine. But that is the tag. And y'all remember I got this one for $180. Yeah, $180. So that was a good deal. Plus military. So wasn't bad. And remember, this was a buy, return because it's too big, didn't even open it and touch it. Saw somebody and then bought it, and now you know it is a good bag. Yeah, it was a situation. But she's here to stay because she's been here over a month now. Haven't even touched her. Baby, they got everything wrapped. Come on, Coach. Come on. Okay? Protect it at all costs. You're not about to tear nothing up. Not about to scratch up nothing. You're not about to mess anything up. Anything. Y'all, this is a nice bag. He's a good man, Savannah. It's a good bag, Savannah. Let me move this out of the way. Oh, goodness. Okay, so that's the interior. That's the foam at the bottom. It's not white. I left it down there purposely. And there's a D-ring on this side that you can hook this to, I'm guessing. And then there's a D-ring right here for the bag to hook to close. Ugh, let's do the strap. Big old buckle. Big old buckle. Okay. How do I want that? Okay. I had to check, y'all. I gotta see which one I want it on. I want it on the second toe first. Let me see. I don't think that's the one I wanted it on. No, I think I want it on the first one. I think I want it on the first one. But some people say you could use it as a crossbody too. But that wasn't a plan that I had, but I love a crossbody, so it won't hurt to do that if it's able to. Won't hurt to do it. All right. So let me push this chair back. Y'all can see it. Oh yeah, that is good. Yeah, that is it. That is the Bleecker, the large Bleecker bucket bag. Oh my goodness. Y'all, that is so good. And that color goes with everything. Okay, let me hook it. Let me put this inside. And I know y'all probably have seen plenty of people doing what fits in my bag on this one. So I'll do one. Now I have the inside hooked. But look at that. That is so good. That is just, I'm glad. I said, look at God say, go on in there, young lady, to let her see what she missing out on. I looked. That's just how I looked. Just like I had double take. Yeah. And the lady just came in there just as comfortable. Had her stuff on. I'm like, okay. Let me go see. And for them to have it back there, I swear, I bet you that was the same one. I bet it is. Same one I brought back. That's a shame. That's a daggone shame. Okay, let me just put a little decor on here. Just a little decor just to see what it's looking like. Oh, gosh. Oh, I don't know where I'm going to put this one at. Because this ain't going to fit on here. That's too... I was trying to put it on here, but that's too big. Let me just... Oh. Excuse me, y'all. All that yawning. But that's it with just a little gold on it. Just a little gold. Just not too much. Not too much. That's cute, though. Let me see. Said I was going to put this beauty on there. Yeah, I wish they had the other D-ring on the other side. That'd have been cute to just hang it. So I'm going to have to play around with that and see how to do it. But there are the jumbo cherries. Yes, look at that. That just looks so cute. Look at that. Perfection. Perfection. Yeah, that looks good. Oh my goodness. Okay, that is cute. That is cute. Okay, well, that is it. That is all, guys. That is episode 3. The shoes are already waiting, so when you stay to the end, you will see how Miss Beautiful Merlot Bleecker heads on in. And that's it. That's all. I will see y'all on the next one. Talk to y'all later. Bye. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And bye.